Well, very good morning to all the students, and it's nice to see you that you are really active in all the digital modes which we are using during this lockdown. It can be different platform, Google Classroom or Zoom or Edmodo, whatever. So keep scrolling your pages. Today I am here to give just a small introduction about food and beverage service. It's one of the important core subjects in your study. So if you want to define F&B service, in generally people they think that it's only about serving food or maybe clearing plates, something like that. But it's really vast food and beverage service. If you are talking about it has got a different era in hospitality, because it's not about only serving food or clearing plates and all. It's a sector where you will be meeting new peoples on daily basis. There will be a people they are coming from different country, they are coming to explore your places, so you will be meeting new people on daily basis. You can explore their culture, you can explore their tradition, you can explore their food style, etc. And definitely apart from that, it's a different happening life. Those who don't want to do the regular jobs from 9 to 6, it's something different, right? It's definitely not for all of you, but a person who can think from the out of the box that it's not 9 to 6 job, it's not only doing paperwork on daily basis. It's something different. You have to be knowledgeable about the mixology, about the beverages. You have to be curious enough to meet new people on daily basis. When you are handling your daily operation, it can be a different meal period, it can be breakfast, it can be lunch, it can be dinner, or it can be midnight buffet, etc. So you will come to know about lot of food styles which has been adapted by the peoples, by the different parts of the world. So apart from that, there is another part, like it's a convention part. There are a lot of big organization, they are attending or they are scheduling their meeting, conferences, even the destination weddings are very famous nowadays, and it's definitely it's damn costly as well. You have to spend a crore for destination wedding. So all these things, conference, destination wedding, mixology, meeting new people on daily basis, knowing the things, then handling operations, budget, forecast, room service, definitely it's again a different part. So all these things defining F&B service, which is not only about serving food and clearing plates. You have to think from the out of the box. It's an open world. Cruise lines, definitely airlines, definitely hotel sectors, definitely QSR, quick service restaurant, and there are a lot of chain multi-cuisine restaurants are there. So it's a different opportunity, different level of thinking. It's not only about doing your job. You have to be passionate about beverages, you have to be passionate about meeting new people, you have to be passionate about your work. So food and beverage service, if you are talking about it's not limited within one book, or it's not limited within one chapter, or it's not limited within the course.